All right, guys, we back here on one of our Lincolns here. This is the 71 we got. This is the good car. Blake did some cleanup on the inside. Got it looking pretty presentable. Got a few things to do in here. Got to fix the armrest. And the 3 of the 4 windows don't work, so got to look into that. But one thing I'm working on is the under the hood. I want to get it mechanically good. We've had an exhaust leak since we started up. I put an exhaust gasket on this side here because it was coming out of the front. Took it off. Didn't look real bad, but it looked like it was leaking through a little bit. Put a new gasket on, cleaned everything up. Still have a leak. So I did some research, and it's coming out of the front of the head. From the best I can tell, is there's a thermactor hole for the air pump. I guess it's a blocked off hole. It's not used on this. So I can't really see it behind the air conditioning compressor and the bracket. So I got the AC compressor off, get the bracket off, and see what we have there. I did pick up a plug for it, so I'm hoping that's all it is. So let's get this off and see what happens. Guys, we got our air conditioning compressor and brackets off here, along with most of the front of the motor. I bought new belts to change the belts because they're pretty bad. The alternator one it's still on there, but it's laying in pieces on the floor. The more we run it, the more it comes off. So I got the power steering pump loose, and you can see our culprit down here. If I can get the camera down here. You can see the hole that burnt through that plug right there. So I picked up a new plug, so we'll get that out, get a new one installed, and hopefully we won't have any more exhaust leaks. All right, so we got our plug in here, so Blake's gonna fire this thing up. We got to make sure everything's out of the way. I had to take the fan off and that pulley to get the belts off, which is, whatever. Anyway, the alternator's still on, so. All right, Blake, fire it up, see what we got, see if it leaks. Well, I'd say that's a success. So let's get it together here. I bought a fuel pump too, and it means that I can't get on my lift right now. I'm going to put the fuel pump on from here because it's pretty accessible with everything off. So we're going to get it on and then go back up with it.